Rebuild your mornings, the calm ritual that makes you 10 times more focused by noon. You've probably said it before. I'm too tired each morning. You wake up with good intentions, but before your feet hit the floor, your mind already feels 10 steps behind. Your phone lights up, your brain starts listing problems, and suddenly you're surviving instead of starting. This audiobook is your blueprint to rebuild that first hour of your day so that by noon you're 10 times calmer and sharper than you thought possible. Welcome to Rebuild Your Mornings, the calm ritual that makes you 10 times more focused by noon. Let's talk about why mornings feel heavy. It isn't laziness, it's energy debt. Burnout steals more than your rest, it steals your willpower. Each morning, you wake up with a half-charged battery trying to run a full-time life. That cycle makes you feel slow, foggy, and disconnected. So today, we're resetting that. You're going to rebuild your morning one small shift at a time. You don't need a perfect schedule or fancy planner. You need awareness, simplicity, and consistency. Start with this. Don't rush to wake up. When your eyes open, pause. Feel the weight of the sheets, the temperature of the air. Let yourself exist before you perform. Take one breath that's actually yours, not borrowed from stress. Say quietly in your mind, "This day starts with calm." That sentence is the ignition. You'll feel a subtle shift, like the noise in your head takes one step back. Your first few minutes matter. Most people give that time to the internet. You're going to reclaim it. Instead of reaching for your phone, reach for water. Drink slowly. Don't think about work. Don't think about plans. Just hydrate your body. Your brain is 75% water. It's begging you to refill it. You'll feel the fog lift. It's small, but it's powerful. Small actions, repeated daily, rebuild your life faster than any dramatic resolution. Now stand up. Move gently. Stretch or walk a little. Movement breaks the leftover tension from sleep. When your body moves, your energy flows. No need for a fall workout. You're rebuilding, not overloading. Think of this as turning on the lights inside you, one switch at a time. You can hum a song, shake your arms, or roll your shoulders. Don't overthink it. The goal isn't perfection, it's circulation. As you move, you might hear that tired voice in your mind whisper, "I don't have energy for this." Answer it softly, "I'm making energy." Because that's exactly what's happening. You're generating momentum. Energy isn't found. It's created through small physical cues that tell your nervous system you're safe, present, and ready. Burnout taught you to associate mornings with struggle. You probably wake with guilt, thinking, "I should have gone to bed earlier." But guilt doesn't wake you up. Compassion does. You can rebuild your mornings by forgiving yourself for what you didn't know yesterday. You were doing your best with the energy you had. Today, you have more tools. Use them. Now, let's create your calm ritual. This ritual isn't about doing more. It's about doing less, but with presence. When you start your morning with clarity, your mind stops leaking energy into useless worry. Here's what this calm ritual looks like in practice. First, take a seat or stand comfortably. Close your eyes if it helps. Think about your day ahead. Visualize yourself around noon. You're focused. Your inbox is under control. You've finished what matters most, and you still feel balanced. Picture yourself eating lunch with ease, not rushing or stressing. That image becomes your anchor. You're training your brain to expect peace. Your mind believes what it rehearses. Now, speak your intention. Keep it simple. Say, "I choose calm focus today." You don't have to believe it perfectly. Just say it. Repetition is the rewiring process. Every time you repeat it, you move closer to calm as your default. If you struggle with procrastination, mornings are your best training ground. When you delay small things early in the day, your brain learns to avoid them. But if you complete one small task quickly, it rewards you with dopamine. That small win multiplies through the rest of your day. So after your hydration and your quiet moment, pick one simple task. Make the bed, open the curtains, start your coffee. Whatever it is, finish it. Then say to yourself, I follow through. That phrase rebuilds self-trust, the foundation that burnout quietly breaks. Many people ask, how long should this morning ritual take? The answer, as long as it needs. Some days you'll have 20 minutes, others only 5. Time isn't the goal, presence is. If all you can manage is one deep breath, one sip of water, one conscious sentence, you've still rebuilt your morning. Your nervous system doesn't count minutes, it registers consistency. Now, let's deal with that heavy fatigue that comes every morning. When you say, I'm too tired, what you really mean is, I'm too overwhelmed. Mental fatigue feels like physical exhaustion because your mind keeps running background programs, worry, guilt, expectation. So the fix isn't more caffeine, it's more space. Try this. Before you reach for coffee, pause and stretch your hands wide open. Inhale, exhale. Tell yourself, I create space for calm. That moment reminds your brain that it doesn't have to sprint to survive. Then, if you still want your coffee, have it. Enjoy it slowly. Make it part of your ritual instead of a reaction. Notice the aroma, the warmth, the sound of the first sip. You're training mindfulness through micro-attention. The more aware you are of small details, the less trapped you are by mental noise. That's how calm grows, through awareness, not control. Now that you've set the tone, it's time to gently prime your mind for productivity. Take a piece of paper or your notes app and write down one question. What would make today feel complete? Don't write 10 goals, write 1. That single focus removes decision fatigue, the silent killer of motivation. When you complete that one priority, you create a sense of progress that fuels the rest of your day. Burnout makes you chase everything and finish nothing. This ritual does the opposite. It slows you down enough to finish what matters. And finishing one meaningful thing before noon builds momentum for the rest of the day. Remember this line. When you own your first hour, the rest of your day stops owning you. You're not rebuilding your mornings for aesthetics. You're doing it to reclaim authority over your energy. This is how people recover from burnout without quitting life. They rebuild structure gently, one consistent choice at a time. Now take another deep breath. Feel your body wake up fully. You're calm, you're centered, you're in motion. Let's revisit what you've created so far. You've stopped rushing your wake-up. You've hydrated. You've moved gently. You've set one clear focus. You've spoken with intention. That's enough. That's the foundation. Soon, you'll notice a strange phenomenon. By noon, you'll feel calm yet productive. That's the proof that your nervous system is working for you, not against you. You'll realize that calm isn't passive, it's efficient. It's your secret advantage. Every morning you repeat this ritual, you repair a little more of your burnout. Your focus sharpens, your body stabilizes, your anxiety quiets. You'll start hearing compliments from others. You seem lighter. You're glowing. You're so composed lately. That's your energy alignment showing up in real life. If there's one truth to hold on to, it's this. You can't think your way out of burnout, but you can rebuild your mornings into peace. Now let's end with your final affirmation. Say this slowly. I rebuild my mornings with calm. I move through my day with clarity. I am 10 times more focused by noon. Repeat it. Feel how it lands differently the second time. You're creating new programming for your subconscious. It's the same brain that once believed, I'm too tired each morning. Now it's learning, I wake with calm focus. You've just completed Rebuild Your Mornings, the calm ritual that makes you 10 times more focused by noon. Replay this audio whenever you feel your mornings slipping into chaos. Each time you listen, it will sink deeper. Each repetition strengthens the new pattern. This is how transformation actually happens, not overnight, but every morning.